Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through setting up countdown timers in Go High Level. So log into your Go High Level account and then go to marketing in here and also then go to countdown timers. So we don't have any timer, so create your new timer and select any template. So I'm going with this one. Let's pause and continue with this template. So let's name it to timer 1. So I'm making it to dynamic timer and let's suppose it's for 1 hour and 0 minute and 0 seconds. Yeah. So this timer is applicable for 1 hour and now we need to select when this timer start timer when email is sent or when user opens the email. So let's select user opens the email because that's I think that's best way to do that. So activate timer leads to link. So I have created a funnel for that. So it will lead to the offer page if the timer is active. So this one is the offer page and then we have expiration link. So this is just a demo funnel. Claim your offer below so you can enter your offer, and also this one is sorry your off this offer is expired. So let's put this link in here, and now we actually need to do styling if you want to. So let's make this days hidden so we have only hours, minutes and seconds, and then you can change the fonts and everything. So let's suppose I'm changing to Helvetica, and then we can change the countdown color. So let's make it to the I'm taking this color code, and background color I'm making it to let's suppose black, and also label color, let's change this to white and see how it looks. Circle border color, so let's make it to red, and also circle animation color you can change it to your styling. So let's suppose it's black, oh sorry it should be white. Yeah, so this looks good now. So let's save this. The timer name is actually timer 1, so you need to remember this. And then if I go to marketing again, in the marketing sections, and here we have emails. So now we need to actually test this, and if I go to template, so I do have a template. Inside the email builder, you have the option of countdown timer in here. So just click on this timer and drag in here. So it will ask you to select the timer. So I have selected the timer now. So let's save the template. So once you have saved this template, you can actually test your email. So I'm actually sending the email. Let me show you. You can see I have received this email and countdown timer is now active. So if I click on this, it will eventually take me to the funnel page, claim your offer below. So this is how countdown timer works, and it's crucial for businesses to actually launch their email campaigns. So if you need any help regarding Go High Level, just click below and let's get in touch. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.